All right, so welcome to a small breakout group.
Oh, thanks.
We are going to review figurative language really quick, kind of just go back through it.
Okay.
And then I'm going to show you some examples from Ender's Game.
Ooh.
So, and have you guys identify what type of figurative language you think is being used.
I can use that in my journal.
So yeah, you can exactly, yep, you can use this moving forward in your journals, so.
I'm just gonna write a whole list down.
All right, so we know figurative language comes from, you know, the binary or the dichotomy of literal and figurative. So literal means exactly.
I've actually saw that on robotics, but then
Have you?
Yeah.
I've got your back. Do you literally have somebody's back? What do you mean when you say I've got your back?
That you're up there,
You're what?
there for them.
Yeah, you're there for them, right? You support them. Right, okay, so similes, all right? Comparisons using like or as. We're like two peas in a pod. Metaphors, same kind of thing, comparison without the like or as. So, over here, you ain't nothing but a hound dog.
No, I don't.
Little nod to Elvis, right?
Yeah.
Are you actually a hound dog?
No.
It's comparing you to a hound dog, but it's actually calling you a hound dog.
Mm.
All right. I don't think I've ever said hound dog that many times in one sentence. All right. Personification. That's where you're giving non-humans human traits. So objects usually. So the earth hath swallowed all my hopes, said Shakespeare in Romeo and Juliet. Hyperbole. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse, right? Massive exaggeration.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. What do you mean by that?
I mean, sometimes you could probably eat a horse.
Yeah. Sometimes you might be eating horse, but that's a whole different story, right? All right, so it's usually just to make a point. You're exaggerating. So onomatopoeia. So the word that makes a sound. So we think about that a lot. You guys have mentioned this before with comics.
Mm-hmm.
See a lot of pow, bang, kazam,
Meow.
meow. That is onomatopoeia. Alliteration, that's that repetition of the initial sound of a word. So fair is foul and foul is fair. Hover through the fog and filthy air. So
Never heard that one before.
that's, again, our buddy Shakespeare.
Hey, my mom's name is Becky. My mom's name is Becky, and we have a beagle.
What? Wait, hold on. Becky's beagle barks.
And he barks all the time.
Wow.
At
Check it
random
out.
things.
I had no idea. What a coincidence. All right, oxymoron. That is a term that places what seem like opposites together. So jumbo shrimp,
Mm.
awfully nice, pretty ugly.
That's what Lily calls me.
Which one? Awfully nice or
Jumbo shrimp.
jumbo shrimp?
Hey, you're a jumbo shrimp.
Another one that I always think of in history is like Civil War.
Mm.
Those two things, like, you know, if
I
you're
never
being
thought about
civil, you're not at war, but, so that's one that I think of
Never
sometimes.
thought about it like
Yeah.
that. Alex said I'm listening in history. Am I in the way?
I tell you to move back and then you scoot back
Sorry.
up.
You guys need some intervention here. You
No,
guys-
she's short and I'm tall and it doesn't work.
All right, last one is idiom, and that's a saying that isn't meant to be taken literally. So it's a piece of cake. That's a piece of cake. Is it actually a piece of cake? No, you
Something.
mean
Could be.
you're right. Like on your